Hold Start to turn on the BFR unit. On the main screen, press the plus or minus buttons to scroll up and down, respectively. Press Set to enter the preferred mode. Within the Settings menu, press Set to scroll down and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the corresponding parameter to your liking. Press Start to begin inflation of the cuff. The AutoAdjust mode dynamically adjusts the pressure to accommodate variations in limb diameter, ensuring a more uniform pressure throughout both concentric and eccentric phases of muscular contractions. Upon completion of the training session, or by pressing Stop during training, a quick guide is provided to assist in the deflation process.